Good morning, children. Let's see Roman numeral table. Amma. In your previous class, you learned how to write Roman numerals. Okay, now apply the rules in Roman numeral table. Amma. First, Hindu-Arabic numeral. Hindu-Arabic numeral 1. So 1 for I. You know this. 2. So 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. Next 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3. Next 4. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now this is correct, Amma? No. I said in your previous class, don't repeat more than 3 times. Only you repeat up to 3 times. Don't repeat more than 3 times. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. More than 3 times here repeated. So don't repeat more than 3 times. Only up to repeat 3 times only. Okay, this is the round. Now how to write 4, Amma? Now you know some basic symbols. 5 for V. This is the basic symbol. Now 5 minus 1. You get 4. 5 minus 1 is the 4. So first you should write V. Now here doing which operation? Minus or addition or subtraction? So here doing 5 minus 1. So you write left side of the V. Left side of the V. Or before you write I. Left side or before you write I. Okay, Amma? So 5 minus 1 you get 4. Next is 6. 6 means we 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. Here doing what? Subtraction or addition? Addition. So 5 plus 1 you get 6. So addition. You write right side. V ki you write right side or after right. Because you are doing addition. Next is 7. Again 7 means 6 plus 1. Here doing also first you write 6, Amma. Here doing what? Or 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 again plus 1. You get 7. So first you write V 5. You are doing addition. So you write from right side. Okay, you can understand. Next 8, Amma. 8 for 5 plus 1 plus 1. So V I. Next 9. Next 9. Okay, this is repeated this side. Hindu-Arabic numerals. Next Roman numerals. This table write in your class work, Amma. Here up to 8 over. Next 9. 9 you repeat 4 times. It's correct? No. Only you are repeating up to 3 times. So 8 is the over. Next 9. How to write 9? Now tell me, children. 10 4. 10 4 basic symbol is what? 10 4 X. 10 4 X. That is a basic symbol. Now 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 you get 9. 10 minus 1 you get 9. So you write from left side or right side? Left side, because you are doing subtraction. So X for 10 minus 1. Okay, got it? Next 11, Amma. 11 for 10 plus 1. First you write 10. 10 plus 1. Here doing addition. So you write from right side. Okay. Next 12. 12 means 10 plus 1 plus 1. 10 plus 1 plus 1. Next 13. Again 10 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. Up to over 3 times is over. Next you write 14. First you write 15, Amma. 15 for what? 10 plus V. 10 plus 5, 15. Got it. Next, 10 plus 4. Already you get 4. So, 10 plus 4, you get 14. Next, 16. 10 plus 6. Can you understand? 10 plus 6 is the 16. Write down, Amma. Up to 16 over. Now continue 16 after, Amma. Okay, now continue 16 after. After 17. So 17, 10 plus 7. 10 plus 7. You get 17. Next 18. 10 plus 8. Next 19. 10 plus 9. Okay, you get 19. Next 20. 20 how to write? 10 plus 10. So 10 again 10. 10 plus 10 you get 20. Next 21. 10 plus 10 20 plus 1 21. Next 22 Amma. 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 20. 20 plus 1 21. Again 1 22. Next 23. 10 plus 10 plus 3 23. Next 24. 10 plus 10 plus 4. 20 plus 4, 24. Next 25. 20 plus 5, 25. Next 25 after 26. 20 plus 6, 26. 27. 20 plus 7, 27. 28. 20 plus 8. Next 29. 20 plus 9, 29. Next 30 Amma. 30 how to write? 10 plus 10 plus 10. You get 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10. You get 30. Next 31. 10 plus 10 plus 1. 30 plus 1, 31. Next 32. 30 plus 2. You get 32. Next 33 Amma. 30 plus 3. 33. Next 34. 30 plus 4. 35. 30 plus 5, 35. Okay, got it all of you? Write down, Amma. In next class activity I will start, Amma. Please children learn this Roman numeral table. What is today homework? Learn and write Roman numeral table. Learn and write Roman numeral table one time. Okay? Can you understand? Learn and write this today given Roman numeral table one time. Learn cheyali and write cheyali. You learn this table, you will do activity. Otherwise you can't do. ఈ టేబుల్ లెర్న్ చేస్తేనే యాక్టివిటీ చేయగలుగుతారు, లేకుంటే చేయలేరు యాక్టివిటీ. యూ కాంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ వి సే. సో లెర్న్ దిస్ రోమన్ న్యూమరల్ టేబుల్ అమ్మా. ఈ రోమన్ న్యూమరల్ టేబుల్ లెర్న్ చేస్తేనే మీరు నెక్స్ట్ యాక్టివిటీ యూ కెన్ డూ, అదర్వైజ్ యూ కాంట్ డూ. ఓకే, what is today homework? Learn and write Roman numeral table. And we learn rules also. 3 rules are given, Amma. You learn the 3 rules. Okay, first you learn the 3 rules. First of all, I given basic symbols. You learn basic symbols first. Step by step you will learn. First step is what? You will learn first basic symbols. Next you will learn rules. Next you will learn this Roman numeral tables. Okay. Kept in your mind that logic, how to write logic is that is kept in your mind. Okay, bye.